Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and I am Rashmi here with you with another session, and today I am going to talk about benefits of yoga. Yes, you must be thinking why I have chosen this topic. So the reason is that for choosing this topic, benefits of yoga, like in day to day life we all are living and living. How we are living, only we know how we are living. We have no more idea what to eat and what not to eat. Which food is healthy for us and which food is not healthy for us. So the only solution which can boost your memory, which can boost your mind, and which can make you feel like yes, you are living a healthy life. That is only thing is that doing yoga. Only one thing you have to do, that you must get into the habit of waking up early in the morning. If you are if you have to go early, like if your destination is quite early, like you have to reach to your office, you have to go to school, then you should wake up early. Means you can say that 15 minutes a day in starting, 15 minutes a day can change your life. If you are going to give 15 minutes for learning English and for other things, why not giving to yoga and all such things? If you are going to live a healthy life, automatically things will be set up. You don't need to do some other efforts. So that's why I am telling you, if you have to live a healthy life, you get into the habit of doing yoga. First you start from doing 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and thereafter make it in a thereafter you do practice every day. Thereafter you will feel or you will realize that yes, I need to do yoga half an hour, thereafter 1 hour. That is quite necessary for our body. If we are going to work, we need to take care that whatever we are doing, yes, it is right. Yes, it is okay with us that we are not taking care of our body. We need to take care. Earlier, I am also thinking that oh, the way they are living, the same way we need to live. But now I realize the day means I am in the practice of yoga from, you can say, from 2 years I am doing yoga. Now I realize that yes, after doing it we feel fresh. Our mind is quite active. Not only that, whatever you are doing every day, whatever you are eating every day, once in a while you need to do, or you can say you need to keep fast. Means after keeping fast, you will realize that we need to freshen up our body. If you are going to keep fast once in a week, means एक week में एक बार आप करते हैं, thereafter you will realize that yes, our body needs it. So come back to the topic yoga. What are the benefits of yoga? In yoga, means if you will ask from me, there are only two yoga I like. That is called pranayam, which is Kapalbhati and Anulom Vilom. And third one is I think that is Bhramari meditation. After doing that, I feel a lot of changes in my body. Like if I am doing Bhramari pranayam and other things, if I am going to, earlier I used to forget every little things. Now day by day I realize that yes, my memory is boosting. And I feel that yes, whatever I am thinking and whatever I am doing to do, if negative thoughts are coming in my mind and they are forcing me, yes, you have to do that, only yoga can make you feel that no, there are positive thoughts, you need to do it. It will give you a lot of energy by which you can work all day long. If you are not going to do, then you will feel I am feeling tired. All day long we feel like tired. After doing household chores, a lot of means energy we have spent. And there are hardly you will think that we have to come back to our other duty. So it's better if in the morning you are going to give 15 minutes, thereafter you will get a lot of energy by which you can work till night. So nothing you have to do. If you don't want to do pranayam like Kapalbhati, Anulom Vilom is the best pranayam. What I feel like that. If you are going to do, then you will feel a lot of changes in your body. Your memory will be sharp. You will not catch cold and cough. If you are going to means if if such thing is that like how many times you came into the force or cold and cough it irritates you, then it will be easy for you to do yoga, to do Anulom Vilom. There are a lot of physical exercises you can use. You can go for morning walk. That is the best thing. So after doing that, you will feel a lot of changes in your body. So you must do. We all know that health is wealth. If you are not going to feel healthy, then how you will work? Work is quite necessary. For that you will have to do yoga. That's all I am going to tell you.